get to Emily Finn live from Iowa this morning. So the other GOP candidates, as we would expect, they think this is absolutely politicized.
That's absolutely correct, Adrienne. We have seen an overwhelming show of support for President Trump following Colorado's Supreme Court decision. All of the candidates remaining in the GOP race have rallied behind President Trump, calling the historic ruling unfair and un-American. At a town hall event in Iowa last night, former UN Ambassador Nikki Haley said that the last thing she wants to see is judges telling Americans who can and can't be on the ballot.
I will tell you that I don't think Donald Trump needs to be president. I think I need to be president. I think that's good for the country. But I will beat him fair and square. We don't need to have judges making these decisions. We need voters to make these decisions.
Over in New Hampshire, which we know is the next in line primary after Iowa, former New Jersey Governor Chris Christie said that he believes it would be bad for the country if Trump is barred from appearing on the ballot in Colorado, saying that the former president needs to be put on trial for allegedly inciting an insurrection before his rights are taken away.
I do not believe Donald Trump should be prevented from being president of the United States by any court. I think he should be prevented from being president of the United States by the voters of this country.
Entrepreneur Vivek Ramaswamy, who has been a staunch supporter of former President Trump, released a statement last night announcing that he is withdrawing from the Colorado GOP primary ballot altogether. Ramaswamy also called on the other candidates to follow suit, saying the move by Colorado's Supreme Court is unprecedented and an attack on democracy. And Florida Governor Ron DeSantis weighing in as well. He released a statement calling on the Supreme Court of the United States to reverse Colorado's ruling. He accused the left of abusing judicial power to remove Trump from the ballot on what he believes is baseless grounds. And we will be hearing more from DeSantis supporters at a campaign event here in Urbandale, Iowa. That's expected to get started in just a few moments here. So we'll get a feel for how they think the state of the GOP race stands right now. Adrienne and Markie.
Yeah, a lot of Americans, a lot of voters sounding off this morning. Emily Finn, thanks so much. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.